had it in the wrong way. We are wallpapering, not the wall, but the refrigerator. Welcome to my impulsive buy DIY. I know you've also been buying impulsively, okay? And I have too. I have got this that's now on the floor. It is on the floor. My goodness! Okay, I got it all. It kind of like fell from the middle. So, this is a beautiful wallpaper. As you can see, it has some roses, some, I don't know, are they peonies? They're butterflies and leaves, and it's nice sage green, okay? And it has texture as well. It wasn't too expensive. It was from Danelle, and I think I paid like £12. So I saw an influencer.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Of course, on TikTok using a wallpaper. I was like, I should do that, but we're not wallpapering the wall, we're wallpapering the refrigerator. Purely because look at the color of my refrigerator. It is silver, it's grey, which I don't like, okay?
Wow.
If you turn around and see, I have a blank canvas. In the coming days, I will be actually DIYing a lot, which I will be taking you along with me for, okay?
Okay.
But today, this is my very first DIY. I've never touched wallpaper until today. I don't know how to paste the wallpaper. Like, I have got the glue thingy, the mixture for the glue. I've never used it in my life. I've never done a DIY on a home decor, on a home renovation ever. This is the very first time. So, I will be pretty I will get the things ready, but before that, I'll set you up far, far away. Let's go. First things first, I need to leave my crown somewhere safe, okay? Because the queen needs to protect the crown. Anyway, it's just going to get dirty. First thing after keeping the crown down is to clean this area because we are working with this whole section today. So I'm hoping that this wallpaper will actually be long enough to cover my entire refrigerator. Did I measure it? No. Did I measure the fridge and get the wallpaper? No, it's an impulsive buy, okay? So I'm going to remove all the magnets and I'll keep it aside because I need to clean the fridge. This is the glue that I'm using, which is a powder, and it's all-purpose wallpaper adhesive. I don't know if it's suitable for the fridge. I hope we don't mess this up because if we do, I don't know what to do. So let's mix this. Oh, by the way, did I show you my potato hopper? Anyway, I got this lota. I don't know whose this is. Well, this came with the house, so I hope nobody has used to wash their bum.
Huh?
That would be awful.
Oh no!
No, it's very clean, so I'll mix this and come back. The thing is, it's like you have to pour 3 liters of cold water if you're going to use 4 or 5 rolls. I'm probably not even going to use all of this. So I've just eyeballed it. I don't even know if this will be a glue, but it is getting thicker. I'm apparently supposed to leave it for 90 seconds after briskly whisking it. Leave it for 90 seconds. I'm just too nervous for this. I thought this will come in handy someday, so it did. I'm going to keep it right here. We need to find a brush, by the way, because we need to dip the brush in there and then put it to our wallpaper. Or should I put it here and then stick the wallpaper on it? But I haven't even measured it. This is definitely not peel off. I should have got the peel off one. Okay, I just realized I'm not good at this.
Come on, man.
Why did I think I could do this? So this is how it's going to look. Well, not really, but you get the gist. You get the idea. So I'm gonna come back when the glue is ready and when I have figured this out. I'm trying my best. Hi! Kizzy, not on here, please. Kizzy! Okay. So to match the design from this part to the very end, I don't know how to do it. So I'm going to try my best to cut it as per the design. Change in the plan. Thank goodness I realized that the design runs downwards.
Music.
So if I don't cover this area, I will break the design. That means it's gonna look crazy.
Oh, really?
So we will have to do this part first and then we'll have to tackle the side bits. So let's do that. I will measure for the second part here and then I will cut it just like how I did for the top one and then I'll be back. Or maybe I could cut right here. I can measure it. 1 minute, where's the measurer thingy?
1 hour later.
Or maybe let's eyeball it again. It kind of forgets to track my face.
No!
I'm sitting down. There we are. So this is a bit tricky. I might have to cut this because obviously there is a gap over here, which is fine. Pull it a little down. Okay, I think I've covered most of it and let's go. So this is extremely wet. I hope this will get captured this time. I am sitting down. There we are. Okay. So, okay. That needs to go from here precisely. Oh, why is it pulling it the other way? This needs to come down, not on my face. This glue is actually really great because you can adjust and it will help you adjust stuff. And it's not tearing my wallpaper either while I'm pulling it. So I found a Marks and Spencer's card. Marks and Spencer's, you better sponsor me for my next video. Anyway, hi Kizzy. I'm going to try and get the air bubble out. I have forgotten that I was supposed to cut this part before gluing it down. But I've successfully forgotten, so now I don't have an option because I've kind of stuck this already. So I guess I just need to do it while it's on the fridge.
Hey!
Hi baby. Do you want to say hi to them? Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? Come here. Oh, this is my sweet little baby. As you can see, say hello.
Oh, my God!
Hello. She doesn't like the camera. Okay, you can go.
Bye-bye. Tata.
You can chill here, that's fine. I need to trim this edge. That's here. I'm going to figure a way out. Don't ask me how I did it. I have done it.
Successful person!
Watch. I can touch here without actually leaving fingerprints inside because I have kind of folded the wallpaper inside and here there is this grid. I have pasted the wallpaper onto it. And there was one rose missing here, so I've made a cutout of the rose and I've kind of fixed it here so it looks like a whole rose. Okay, I have cut a little piece. I don't even know if I've done it correctly now. Where did I measure it from? Here? Huh? What did I do?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. What? Oh my goodness, did I mess it up? Oh, I cut it in the wrong way. I've cut it in width rather than in length. Oh, actually, oh, this is the piece we didn't need. My goodness.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
Can you see this? It's a half rose and half a feather. I just have to trim a little bit of the top. How am I? Oh, okay. So it's literally this design. I don't want to double it. How am I supposed to join this? Oh my gosh. Oh, perfect. It is exactly 100 centimeters. Well done, Kenwood. Well, Kenwood is just the name of the fridge. Company. Not name of the fridge. Now we need 100 centimeters into 7.5 centimeters. So where is 100? Just after 99. As you can see, I have tried my best to match it. That's that. Let's do the bottom part. Let's do the last bit. Right, I have the very last piece here that goes in the corner and then just kind of goes outward towards the door. Let's do it. Am I holding the right side? Yes. Okay. Bend over. Okay. Right. Then I've actually attached a separate piece here to the corner. But down here, as you can see, I learnt my lesson. Then I left an extra piece that could just wrap around the door. So it kind of looks flawless here. And you can't even tell where I joined it. Top or bottom. Just looks very pretty for me. This is how it looks from close up. As you can see in the corner here. Okay, it's still not focusing. Oh, there we are. So as you can see, as we go up or down, you can see a little crease here, and then you can see that it's joined, but it's nothing too bad, to be honest. But down there, as you can see, it's nice and flawless. Well, I hope you liked my video and the DIY. It was my very first DIY, so there are plenty of more to come. I hope you'll stick with me, or you can also see how I'm recording this, by the way. And the crown is back because we are done with the DIY for today. We have completed the task and we have done it beautifully, I think. It did take me 3 hours, I would say. I know some of you might think that it looks like a big gift wrapper. I did think that as well, but then because of the design, I kind of wanted it to look like that. That was the goal, to be honest, because it's very grandma core, and as you can see, I love old things. So you can tell my taste is very old, okay, and vintage. So that's why most of my home DIYs will be grandma core or vintage. Please stick with me and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to press the hype button, which is below the video. That will just hype my video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. And I will see you next time. Until then, please maintain the queen behavior.